Today I'm going to answer the FAQ, how do I add a Power App to a SharePoint page? Depending on how your organization has set up Power Apps in SharePoint, it's not as simple as it seems. So I navigated to Power Apps. I'm in the Apps section and I want to add this Education Expense Power App to my SharePoint page. If I go to More Commands and select Details, you have the option to get a web link or an app ID. According to the Microsoft documentation, either option should be okay. But for example, where I work, due to security policies, the web link is not allowed, so you have to copy the app ID. Once I do that, I'm going to navigate over to the SharePoint site where I want to insert the Power App, and then I will click on the Edit button. To keep the example simple, I'm inserting the application onto a blank page, but you can pick any section and select Add a New Web Part. From there, a drop-down box will appear and you can scroll through until you find Microsoft Power Apps. And that is going to add the web part to our SharePoint page. So now we can go to the Edit Web Part pane in the right-hand side of the screen and type in our web link or app ID. Remember, I selected App ID. The Power App is now linked to the web part on your SharePoint page. All you have to do is click Republish. You may notice it says sign in to start using Power Apps. This is expected behavior anytime a user interacts with your Power App on the SharePoint site for the first time. After the user authenticates, they will be able to view and interact with the app so long as they have permission to the underlying data source. Thank you for watching this quick tip video, and I'll see you in the next one.